Where are we off to, baby?
We're going to the Britannia Fair.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna go to Bath. So Josh made me wake up at 6 in the morning on a Saturday.
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out.
On this bike.
Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never
Baby
make
changing the
it
spark
out.
plugs on the Africa Twin.
I was
Okay,
not
so
born
all new
around.
fuel hoses.
Baby, come on.
Holy crap, it's working.
Forget what
Dude,
Father
look at this.
Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes,
Now my
we'll have
petrol
driven
tank is
through
taking a
the
piss of
state.
diesel.
We'll have driven through the night. Baby, come on. If the sun don't shine on me today, and if the subways flood and bridges break, will you lay yourself down and dig your grave, or will you rail against the dying day? And when we looked outside, couldn't even see the sky. How do you pay the rent? Is it your parents? Or is it hard work deep? Holding the atmosphere. I don't wanna live like that, yeah. If the sun don't shine on me today, if the subways flood and the bridges break, Jesus Christ can save me tonight. Put on your dress, yes, wear something nice. Decide on me, yeah, decide on us. Oh, yeah, Lord, yeah, Lord. Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. Cause if we don't leave this